Okay, before I get started, I would like to say a huge thank you to all the new subscribers this week. If you're new here, I make videos about artistic resources for print on demand and entrepreneurial or editorial use. I try to bring these videos out every Thursday. If you like the content, please subscribe and like for future videos. Hello and welcome back to Martian-Bean-Counter. Today I thought we would go back to Contrado to look at something that I think a lot of artists and aspiring entrepreneurs will miss, and that is from the colossal range of products that you can print on, is the fact that they'll just give you the fabric itself and let you work out what you want to do after that. So what we'll do is, if you look here, I've got Contrado up, and I've got another site that I use called Printful. Printful is fantastic for getting any kind of print-on-demand products. They'll connect to quite a few different retail sites, like your own website, eBay. I think they're starting to do Amazon. But yeah, it's all in here. You can see these are the type of products they've got. So you've got basic t-shirts, coats to a certain extent, hats, accessories are a bit weird, to be perfectly honest. I mean, the bags are what they are. And then you come to home living. Closest they come to giving fabrics is basically if you buy towels or the fabrics themselves, and that's just one, which is recycled polyester. Okay, so if let's go back out of there and go into Contrado, and then you go to Contrados and you go fabric printing, you are given all of these. It's absolutely colossal range of different things in different materials as well. I'm really upselling this company. I don't mean to. I just like looking for the products that you guys can use to make your money, especially on the lead up to Christmas now, given it's September when I'm recording this video. So you can basically pull in all your stuff and make your money now when you can. Okay, so there's quite a bit on here, so I'm thinking seriously about taking one of these try swatch packs to see what the material is like. I might do it for a future video, like an unpacking video. I don't normally do things like that, but I might do that. But yeah, when you come through here, you've got the different type of things, and they seem to be having a 14% off sale, which you might want to take advantage of. It's up to you. I'm not affiliated with this, so I won't get any money from this at all. But yeah, there's a lot. I mean, this is pretty much every type of fabric you would use normally in any kind of clothing situation. Now, what caught my eye when I was trolling through this recently, let me see if I can find it again. I think it was the canvas for outdoor use. See, you've got more than one type of canvas on here, and if I'm right, this on the sailor's canvas is heavy enough that you can use it outside and it will last quite a while. But as with all the other ones, whenever you do anything with this, it's usually kind of routine where you would start a design process, and I'm not logged in at the moment, but you would basically come to here, you'd add your images, you select your size because it is a fabric. You get to decide how you want it hemmed and sewed, put together, and then preview and get it sent back to you. That simple. Let's see what else they've got in here. See, they've labelled it really well, so it's how you'd use it. So yeah, if you go to the outdoor ones, which is where I'd be interested in, yeah, breathable, waterproof. I think they've covered everything. I think it's quite a young company. If you go through YouTube, there's quite a few videos that they're starting to put out recently, where they're describing all the stuff and how to kind of set up your own shop. So they're always worth a check out if you go to Contrado directly, rather than listening to me waffle on. Their stuff's really good. I'm really kind of pleased with this. So if you are going to start wanting to sew together, if you want to be like a seamstress or seamster, I don't know what the gender neutral version of that would be. if you're trying to put together any kind of clothing yourself, if you're interested in fashion, if you're interested in creating your own furniture or anything like that, I'd imagine this probably will end up becoming the #1 place to get that fabric from. If you know different, put your opinions in the comments. I will be truly impressed if there is somewhere that can give a wider range of fabrics in one place than this at the moment. Okay, I think that's going to be my comments on this one for now, and I will speak to you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.